Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial video using HTML and CSS. Now today I'll show you how to add Google fonts and change your font family in your projects. So if you're new here and you're interested in improving your web development skills, that's all I do here. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a like on this video. Now let's get right into it. So all we need is the HTML document and the CSS file, and you're good to go. So in the HTML document, type in the exclamation sign and press tab to generate this boilerplate. Now we change the title of our document to fonts, and then we add a link to the CSS file, style.css. Then in the body of our HTML document, first create a div section with the class name of text. And inside this text div, create some paragraph elements. The first one, the class name of P1 and an inner text. To generate some random text, just type in lorem and the length or the number of words in the paragraph you want. You want only 10 words, so lorem 10, and press tab to generate this random text. Now when you refresh, it appears over here. Now copy and paste this P element 2 additional times so we can have 3 different paragraphs in total. The second P element should have a class name of P2 and the third P3. And this is all we need for the markup. Now, in order to embed Google Fonts into our documents or our projects, the first thing we'll do is to go to the website of Google Fonts. And then we search for the fonts family we want. So the first font family, let's say Montserrat. So click on it. And then click on the Get Font. Now we come to the home. And then you can type in as many fonts or search for as many fonts as we want. But in this video, we are going to use just 3 fonts. The second font will be Ita. And again, click on the Get Font. And you search for the third font, which is the Lobster font family. And again, click on Get Font. So we are done with copying the fonts. We need just these 3 fonts. So now click on Get Embed Code and come to the @import section. Now copy this line of code here and then paste it in your CSS file. And this will allow us to embed or add some Google Fonts families inside our text. Now first, let's start the body. So with the body, set the text align to center the text. And you change the background color to yellow. Next, you start a div with a class name of text. Set the margin to 70 pixels and 0 for the horizontal. So this 70 will be for the vertical margin. Next, you start the P elements all together. So just using the P name, change the font size to increase the font size to 2 EM. And then individually, we change the font family. So with the class name of P1 at first, change the font family to the first font family, which is the Montserrat. And this is our Montserrat font family. Now with the P2 element, you change the font family to the Ita font family. This is what we have. And lastly, with the P3 element, change it to the Lobster font family. And this is what we have. Now, it is considered good practice to always add quotation marks around your font family name, and also to add some fallback fonts, let's say sans serif, so that in case the browser doesn't support these fonts, it will use the fallback fonts of sans serif. So we add the fallback font of sans serif for each case. And yeah, that's how to add Google Fonts and change the fonts family of our fonts in our projects. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a like on this video. Now also check out some other videos on my channel if you need any help in web development. I'll see you in the next video.